The Panther T4 Electro Steer is a revolution in boat control. The T4 takes away the debate over tying your kicker motor to the main engine for steering or having a tiller steer motor. It gives you the best of both worlds. By attaching the Quick Connect steering bar to the motor, I can now control the steering with the push of a button. Add the wireless remote option and you can steer from anywhere in the boat. The wireless remote fits in the palm of your hand or hangs around your neck on the provided lanyard. The Panther T4 Electro Steer installs in minutes by simply screwing the T4 body to either side of the tilt tube of the auxiliary motor. The drive rod then threads in from the other side and the connecting arm is cut to length if needed. A quick disconnect is screwed onto both ends. The connecting arm then connects to the drive rod and the front of the motor. It literally takes seconds to transform your kicker motor from a tiller steer to the electro steer and back. The Panther T4 Electro Steer makes trolling easier than it has ever been. It allows me to focus on multiple tasks within my boat while steering from any location. That makes me more efficient and will make your days on the water a lot more enjoyable.